स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में भी हमने इनकम मेथड से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे, लेकिन वो सिंपल क्वेश्चन थे। एग्जाम में आपको इतने सिंपल क्वेश्चन नहीं मिलेंगे। एग्जाम में आपको कुछ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे। और उसी तरह का एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको इन बिटवीन टर्म्स उसमें फाइंड आउट करने होंगे। डायरेक्टली नेशनल इनकम काउंट करना आपसे नहीं पूछा जाएगा, आपको दी जाएंगी इन बिटवीन टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए। लाइक इन दिस एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट ऑपरेटिंग सरप्लस, राइट? To calculate the operating surplus, first in the income method we learn a formula that NDP at FC is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Means operating surplus is a component of income method and it's come in the formula of NDP at FC. So in this example, if we have given NDP at FC, so in that situation this question will be very easy for us. But now we have not given NDP at FC, we have given compensation of employees and mixed income only. To first we have to calculate NDP at FC, right? Now question is that how can we calculate NDP at FC? If we read this example, we have given sales, right? So we can calculate the NDP at FC using the value added method. In value added method, we know that value of output is equal to sales and intermediate consumption also given. So with the help of these two terms, we can calculate the GDP at MP. Students, we know that gross value added at market price, or we can say it the GDP at MP, is equal to the value of output minus intermediate consumption, and value of output is equal to sales, because in this question we have not given change in stock, so value of output will be equal to sales. So sales minus intermediate consumption, by this formula we get the GDP at MP. By now putting the value of sales is 4,000, intermediate consumption is given 600, so we get the GDP at MP is 3,400. Now we have to calculate NDP at FC and we have calculated GDP at MP. What adjustment we needed? Gross to net, so we will minus the depreciation. Then domestic to domestic, no adjustment needed. Market price to factor cost, so market price to factor cost, we have to minus the net indirect tax. GDP at MP is 3,400. Depreciation is given in this question. Consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital means depreciation. It's 200. And net indirect tax given directly. It's 500. So minus 200 minus 500, we get 2,700 NDP FC. Now put the value of NDP at FC in this formula. By putting the value, because we know the compensation of employees, mixed income and NDP FC. So by putting the value of these three terms, we can calculate the value of this operating surplus. Now take the operating surplus on the left hand side. It will become negative. So on the right hand side we have compensation of employees plus mixed income and NDP. We will take the NDP at FC on the right hand side. It will become negative NDP at FC. Now put the value of all these components. Compensation of employees given 800 plus mixed income is given 400 minus NDP at FC we have calculated, it's negative 2,700. Now negative equal to, if we this is positive 1,200 and negative 2,700, we get negative 50. Negative cancel, so the operating surplus equal to 1,500. This is the answer. In this question we have to calculate compensation of employees, and what we have given, net factory income from abroad minus 20, Means from this economy, factory income to abroad is more, but the factory income from abroad is less. The second, net export is 10, means export are more than imports. Net indirect tax is 50. Rent and royalty equal to 20. Consumption of fixed capital is 10, means it's the depreciation. Corporate tax is 10. Interest 30. Dividends 22. Undistributed profit 5. And mixed income is 23. And NDPFC is given 250. We have to calculate compensation of employees. We know that compensation of employees is a part of NDP at FC. NDP at FC is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. So, we will take the operating surplus on the, we will take the compensation of employees into the left hand side and other variable on the right hand side. When we are taking the compensation of employees on the left hand side, it will become negative. And take the NDP at FC on the left hand side, it will become negative. Then plus operating surplus plus mixed income. By putting the value in this formula, we will get the value of compensation of employees. Now put the value. NDP at FC is given 250 plus operating surplus. In this question, we have not given directly the operating surplus, but we know that operating surplus is equal to rent and royalty plus interest plus profit, right? And in this question, we have given rent and royalty is 20, interest equal to 30, and profit is also not given in this question directly. And we know that profit has three parts. One is corporate tax, second is dividend, and third is the undistributed profit. In this question, we have given all these three variables. Dividend 22, undistributed profit 5, and corporate tax is 10. So here we will take the value of operating surplus by adding up all these. First, by adding up all these, we get 110. So it's the negative 250 and positive 110. We get compensation of employees equal to 250 minus 110 is 140, and minus to minus cancel. So the compensation of employees is the 140. You can also check your answer whether it is right or wrong. Now put again the value of compensation of employees in the formula, and if you get the NDP at FC is equal to 250, then you will be sure that your answer is correct. Now NDP at FC compensation of employees 140 plus operating surplus. Operating surplus is mixed income included 110. By adding up, we get the 250. So we can say that our question is right. In this question, we have given indirect tax 250, depreciation 200, royalty 20, profit 200, subsidies 50, GDP at MP 1800, interest 50, rent 100, net factory income from abroad is negative 40. So, and we have to calculate compensation of employees. We know that compensation of employees is a component of income method, and in income method NDP at FC is equal to compensation of employees, operating surplus plus mixed income. If we have NDP at FC, then easily we can calculate the operating surplus. But in this question, we have not given NDP at FC, but we have given GDP at MP. First, we will calculate NDP at FC from GDP at MP. So, NDP at FC, calculation of NDP FC from GDP at MP. So, we have to do some adjustment. First, gross to net. Gross to net means minus depreciation. Then domestic to domestic, no adjustment. Market price to factor cost. To move from the market price to factor cost, we will minus the net indirect tax. In this question, we have given depreciation 200 and net indirect tax is not given directly, but we have given indirect tax and subsidies. GDP at MP is 1800 minus depreciation is 200 minus formula of NIT is indirect tax minus subsidy. Indirect tax is 250 and subsidies are 50. By solving this, we get the NDP-FC equal to 1400. Now put the value of NDP at FC in this formula. NDP at FC, we have to calculate compensation of employees, so we will take it on the compensation of employees on the left hand side. It will become negative, and NDP-FC on the left hand side, right hand side, so it also became negative, plus operating surplus plus mixed income. We have calculated it 1400 plus operating surplus. Operating surplus also not given directly in the question, but we know that operating surplus equal to rent plus interest plus profit. So in the question we have given rent is 100, operating surplus is equal to rent, royalty, interest and profit. Rent is 100, royalty is given 20, interest is 50 and profit is 200. By adding all these we get 370. 370 is positive but 1400 is negative. So by subtracting the 370 from the 1400 we get 1030. This 1030 is the compensation of employees.